Alright, this video is called lawnmower maintenance. So here's the bottom of my lawnmower. You can see the blade is sharp enough. It probably should be replaced. Here's the plug to drain the oil if you need to drain the oil. I just make sure it did have a string right on there wrapped around the crankshaft, so I took that off and I scraped off. The other thing is make sure your blade's good and tight before you go. If this blade ever comes off, and make sure it's installed on there right. If it ever comes off, it'll probably kill you. So that's this. The next thing is I do with lawnmowers, I use True Fuel. I like Sunoco better, but this is True Fuel, and this is engineered for a 4-cycle engine. It's got Stabil in it. It's also got paraffin to lubricate the engine, and it's high octane. So this is the kind of fuel I use. On my motors, on my 4-cycle engines now, I've been using full synthetic motor oil. Here's the air filter. This one could be replaced, but it's not too dirty, but that needs to be cleaned. On all my engines, my chainsaws, my pressure washer, all that, I use E3 spark plugs. My chainsaw, my lawnmower, my chipper, and all the stuff I use these plugs in. Here's the oil. You need to check it if it's dirty. I take a white piece of paper and make sure it's full. Check the dipstick. Make sure that the oil's full. And make sure that you can see this oil's pretty clean. So if it's dirty, it needs to be changed. I showed you where the thing is. You know, the other thing is these carburetors on these engines. When this gasket goes bad right here, I'm showing you right there, it'll start surging. So that's another thing. These can be a problem too. The recoil starts, they break on these too. If you need parts, there's a lawnmower supply in Afton, Missouri. That's where I go buy stuff. That they don't have it like O'Reilly's or something. Thank you.